If you need, you can add compost soil too. This is soil, this is sand, and this is cocopeat. How you can make potting soil at home? Soil, sand, and the cocopeat. The soil and the sand should be free from stones. Then after you must add all three and mix together. You will be ending up with the potting soil. Finish adding. Now we show you how to mix all these three. Finally, we made and we ended up with the potting soil hub. This is a very simple step that you can do even at home. If you like this video, share, and we'll be bringing new videos in the next episode. Until that, we are signing off from Creative Gardening. Thank you.